In this video I'll show you how to make gray map animations using Google Earth. And not After Effects, of course, because it's expensive and it's not free. The animations will look like this, and you could also adjust it to make it like a better animation. Like you could also make it in a different place, and you can do more than these stuff. The main point is it's an amazing art piece.
Nice.
So let's get started through the video. So first thing you want to do, you want to come to this website, link is in the description, and this is where we're going to do our animations. So what you want to do is come to this button on the right, the blue button, try Google Earth Studio, click on it, and right here you're going to have to select your email. Sorry if they're blurred out, but you want to select one of your emails that you have from Google, or if you don't have one, you can make your own. Click continue, and over here you're going to have to register everything. First, write your first name, last name, and email. And yeah, it's like sending a form. If you don't have a company or organization, you could just write anything in there. Or if you have a YouTube channel or you have any of a business. So after you fill out the information, you will see this. It's like a message for thanks for signing up with Google Studio. And from that, you will get like an email from Google Studio or Earth Studio. That's what I always call it. And when you get the email, you could just go to Gmail. When you go to Gmail, it will first pop up, and you click on it. And when you click on it, it's literally gonna give you the information, and it tells you that you have been confirmed to open Google Earth, and it will give you a link, and you could click on the link, and just like how I'm doing right now, you have to wait for it. And right here, Google Earth Studio Preview. So you want to agree on the terms and conditions. If you want to, you can read them, or you have to read them actually. You want to click accept. And right here is the main menu for Google Earth. It's actually simple. You want to create a blank project, and you want to name your project. It's literally named untitled right now. So you want to make a name for it. I don't know, there's probably plenty of options you want to name it. And there's the other settings that you want to show them. So like the world, you can also choose one. For me, I'm gonna name it testing. It's mostly a lot of names that I do. Testing 1. And here you could choose the frames that you want it to be. I'll choose 60 FPS. And you can choose a lot of the stuff right there, right here. And you can choose the world just like how I said before. You have Moon, Mars. And you click start. And right here is where you're gonna be doing your animation. Here is the main place where you're gonna start everything. So don't overcomplicate it. We have like easy stuff to do. You could do keyframes. So before you start everything, first thing we need to show you what are keyframes. So keyframes are a point in the video or animation timeline where you define specific value or state for an object, like its position, size, or opacity. Example, if you put a keyframe at the start where an object is on the left side of the screen, and then other keyframe 5 seconds later with the object on the right, the software will animate it, moving it from left to right during those 5 seconds. And you could do a bunch of stuff. So it's like if you know how to do video editing, you treat it like video editing. So if you want to put a keyframe and you want to go to another place and zoom in on the map, world map, you want to put another keyframe. Now this you just made an animation of zooming in the desert. It's awesome and it's simple. Just don't overcomplicate it. Right here you have an option that you can make like the way that you see the two maps. You have two views. This will help you make curves and a lot of stuff. And it will help you, like if you're trying to do a professional animation, it will help you do so. Also, using that, you could select the dot and you could move it anywhere, so where your starting point will be. So your starting point could be anywhere. And over here, the square, the orange square, you could move where you want to see. And you want to select the keyframes, and you could change them. So if you click on the keyframes, you could make it zoom more to the desert, or you could make it zoom out. You can change stuff. And I want to make another keyframe that fly zoom out of the map, and I want to go to another place like London, I'll say UK. Let me just zoom in. I'm not sure if that's London. Probably it's London. So like you see how the animations when you play it now it moves to London. It's an awesome animation. You could also change it, switch it if you want. So like I want it to zoom out to the earth, look, and zoom out, and it's zooming back. It's not very smooth. You need some time to work on it. If you work on it more, yeah, you could fix it. So now you zoom in London with a map animation. So let's make that animation, try to make smoother, and I want to make a move out, or yeah, move out. I want to make it zoom into France, Paris. So like try to make a zoom into Paris. So I want to make a zoom from London out into Paris. So like in here in the museum, or this place, if you don't know. So let's play it. So zooms to the desert, zooms out, and zooms to London, and after to Paris. Yeah, you could make it more smoother. I'm not working on it for so long right now, so it's not that smooth. But if you want to make it smoother and you want to work on it more, it could be way better. So right now we're gonna be talking about the top bars. So right here, when you click on new, you could get to orbit, and you can do different animations. So like sprint. So there's plenty of options in edits. You can delete and do more stuff. Multi-view, in view you could change these two sections. And guys, there's a lot of stuff that you might like want to play with, so you can understand, so you can make better animations. Maybe you want to change the style of the map, like adding text to the map or something. So as you see right now, like we have text on the map that will help you understand or know where you place. You can do more stuff. You can change the style to like show everything, so like show every text on the map. So if you want to zoom in, look, that like shows London and for a city name. And you can show the 3D thing. So available 3D places is where like you can see places in 3D. So you can see buildings in 3D, which allows you, if you want to do cool animations or orbiting the city. And as you see on the left, it tells you where your view at on the map and how are you viewing it. So as you see, I'm zooming in the map. I said a lot of as you see. So you could see the map and you could change the way that you see it. It's like for example, like this place, like we zoomed in, and now we see also the earth in 3D. Kind of, it's already 3D. And you could over here change the views, target camera, and you could add keyframes. So like right here from the like world map. As you see, we're trying to make an animation. So like over here, we have a target camera on top, the red thing, and now we're zooming to Paris. So we're trying to make it look more 3D, and we're trying to make it zoom in a place where it's 3D. So just let me zoom in to the building. So right here, yeah, we have everything. So like our target camera is over there, but we're trying to zoom into Paris slowly. So we zoomed into the building. So that's a good way of doing it. So if you want to select a clip and go to new, and you want to select spiral, over here you could choose a city like Paris, France, and you could choose any city you want. And over here you could choose the place that you wanted to aim at. As you see in visuals, you can like see where it's gonna spiral. It's gonna go around it, spin around it, and zoom like that. And you could also change from the settings right to below. And you could change where you're gonna start, and you could change where you're gonna end. And yeah, you could change much more stuff. And when you click next, right here you want to select how long your clip is gonna last. So yeah, you could change it as long as you want. Play the settings. Now when you click on the arrow, it will show you your what's it called, keyframe thingy that we talked about before. So how, like, where are you gonna work on? If you want to download your project, so right here, as you see, you want to first go to like the top right stuff, and you click on reindeer, and you could choose the like what you want to download, like video or an image, and for the clip that you want to. And as you see, you have a lot of settings that you could change, advanced settings too. And if you finish, you click submit. And after you submit it, it will send you as an email after like some time. And you could also capture a snapshot of like the place that you're in. So like yeah, if this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next one. Goodbye.